Now, with the recent release of one of the worst kept secrets in the drone world, DJI Mavic 4 Pro, DJI also put out a firmware update to make the RC2 compatible with the Mavic 4 Pro. Now, with that firmware update also came another very pleasant surprise. We're going to talk about it. Let's go. So with the release of the drone, we have two sets of updates to do. There's an update to the DJI Fly app itself, and then there's a firmware update for the RC2 controller. So that's the controller firmware itself. So if you power on and you don't get this message here to update, you could go into Profile, Settings right there, check for firmware updates. If firmware updates available, click Update. Right. You have the versions, added support for the Mavic 4 Pro, added DJI Simulator, and that's what we're going to focus on in this video. There's two sets of updates that you should be doing. The update to the DJI Fly app itself, which controls your drone flying experience, and the update to the RC2 controller itself. So those are separate firmware updates. So now that we have the updates installed, now you see there's the DJI Simulator option. So we can now click on that. All right, and I'll bring it to this main menu here. You can check out the drone hangar. And there's a recent update. Originally, you only had the option for the Mavic 4 Pro. They've recently added the DJI Air 3S. But we're going to go to Mavic 4 Pro, which is already selected. And we're going to go immersive flights. They also added some additional maps that you can fly in. Check this out here. So you have architecture, you have urban landscape. You need to download the additional map. But for now, we'll just go in the skate park. So we'll go fly. Let that map load. So now we can walk around in the environment. Get placed on the aircraft. And it's just like flying your drone in real life. You use the same sticks to arm.
Take off.
As you can see, you have the obstacle avoidance sensors. And they act just like they would in real life. So just go into the settings here for a sec. So there's a couple of settings that we have, just like you'd have in your real drone. You have the obstacle avoidance options. You have your return to home options, altitude, signal loss. So we have in control. You could go and set your expo, your different modes. Camera settings, whether you want grid lines, transmissions coming soon. Yeah, so you have your introductory settings. You could switch between photo and video, just like you would on your normal drone. So we have the little map to show you your home point. So this looks like it could be a very good tool for anyone looking to get some stick time in and practice. You know, and even if you have like kids who are interested in drones, there's a good, easy and cheap and very risk-free way to, you know, get them some practice when it comes to getting familiar with the drone and flying and learning some of the controls. You also have here some camera settings that you could adjust, your white balance, the ISO, shutter speed, aperture. You can go through the different lenses because this is the Mavic 4 Pro. So here we have the wide angle, we have the medium telephoto, and we have the full telephoto camera here. Yep. So yeah, it's just a matter of being able to fly around and get some practice, you know, if you can't fly outside or if you just want to build some confidence flying. this is a very good place to do it. And let's see, take this off. Let's put it on sport mode. Let's see what happens. And it actually does allow you to crash your drone. So you can see what happens, you know, different types of flight and getting close to it. And there's actually a playback so you can see where your collision took place. We can zoom in on your drone. Oh, this is very cool. So videos. Oh, it allows you to review your crash and change the angles of it. If you have an RC2 or the brand new RC2 Pro controller, be sure to check out the latest update that allows you to get the DJI Simulator. And make sure you update the simulator because it now allows you to not just fly the Mavic 4 Pro, but also the DJI Air 3S. And they've added a new map as well to it. So yeah, that's it for this video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.